And hundreds of thousands of South Carolinians will be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccination as early as tomorrow. On Monday, Governor McMaster directed DHEC to administer the vaccine to those over 70 years old starting Wednesday. News 2's Riley Benson joining us live from the Medical University. And Riley, you spoke with top officials from the medical field who say this is a critical step.
Yeah, Brendan, certain populations of South Carolinians have felt the effects of COVID-19 harder than others, including those over the age of 70. Health experts estimate more than 60% of the state's deaths have occurred in this group. They tell me the hardest part about this phase of the vaccine rollout could be reaching those over the age of 70.
They're essentially in quarantine. They're not participating in the usual activities that they used to. So we're going to have to get really creative.
A staggering toll on the elderly. Dr. Brandon Traxler says the age group is seeing the highest mortality rate among South Carolinians.
More than 67%, 2/3 of COVID-19 deaths in South Carolina have been among those aged 70 years and older.
Anyone 70 years or older can sign up. Scheduling an appointment is as easy as calling the Department of Health and Environmental Control or going online.
If they're eligible, they schedule online and pick an appointment and show up with a driver's license and get their vaccine.
Healthcare officials say it's an extraordinary announcement, but say contacting the group and providing a safe environment is top of mind.
You know, as an elderly person, parking and getting into a clinic is not something that is easy or anything they want to do.
Talk of lowering the age requirement is already in the works. DHEC officials say it's important to phase vaccinations because of availability.
More and more populations will be invited to sign up to or register for an appointment for vaccination.
And while a smaller number of hospitals are ready this week, more than 50 additional locations vaccinating the age group will come online as early as next week.
We will continue to work to have more and more locations offering vaccine, especially in those rural and underserved communities who may not have a healthcare facility or hospital nearby.
Now, Brendan, locally, both MUSC and Roper St. Francis plan to participate in this phase of vaccine rollout. MUSC will begin administering vaccines to this age group as early as tomorrow. Roper St. Francis tells me they're still working to finalize plans and anticipates begin these vaccinations on January 20th. Reporting live in downtown Charleston, Riley Benson, Count on 2.